Hi everyone, this is my hair 8 months after my hair transplant. So it's the best thing that I did. You can see my hair's nice and full now. So you can sort of see the areas there. It's a little bit messy right now. So what I did was basically put some hair at the front to straighten my hairline out, and my hair's nice and volumized now. And then we put some in the back as well, and also filling out some of the areas in the middle as well, because my main concern was that I was starting to lose hair in the back, and the front, my hairline was quite receding. So I'm really happy with the work done. Big shout out to Osman and the team. And yeah, this is pretty much it now, and honestly buzzing about it, and I would recommend it to anybody who's considering it, or is a bit apprehensive or scared about doing it. Make sure you look into the team and stuff, and if you have any questions, by all means ask them. But yeah, one of the best things I've spent my money on. Loving how full my hair is, and I've just got the flexibility to do whatever hairstyle I want now with it.